Hello friends, welcome to our channel. In this class we are going to discuss about file attributes and permissions in Unix. So for example, I create a file sample.txt. Sample.txt. I create a file with login name, the username is Varada. Now we discuss about who is the owner of this file sample.txt. Who is the owner of the file means? So who created this file? He is the owner of the file. So that means the user Varada is the owner of the file. So who creates a file will be the owner of the file. That means the owner have some special privileges. That means he can modify the permissions of this sample.txt. The super user can also modify the permissions of this sample.txt, but the owner has the special privileges. Now, so there are three types of groups. One is owner, and second one is group, and third one is others. In our previous class, we discussed about these things: owner, group, and others. That means when a user log into Unix operating system with username and password, then the operating system can treat him as a owner, and the owner belongs to one group, and other than this owner, remaining people, that means those not belongs to this group, those treated as a others. So the owner have some special privileges. That means they can modify permissions of the file, and all the usernames are available in a file called root etc password file. In this, all the user information are stored. Coming to next one, file attributes. So file attributes is nothing but I create sample.txt. Now this sample.txt have name, so creation, modification and access time, and size, and who is the owner, and group which the owner belongs to. So link information, any files are linked with this file sample.txt, and the permissions, that means we discuss in few moments, and permissions and inode number. So these we are called as a file attributes. And next one, file permissions. So in our previous class we said that ls. So ls means list the files. ls hyphen l, then it displays hyphen r w hyphen r w hyphen or hyphen hyphen. So after that it displays the link files, so username, owner name, group name, all these things. We take up to this. Okay, so in this the first one indicates file type. If it is a regular file, it is hyphen. If it is directory, it is d. If it is link file, it is l. Okay, the remaining part rw hyphen rw hyphen r hyphen hyphen. That means these three, the first three characters belongs to owner. That means so owner privileges are r w hyphen. Next three belongs to group users. Group r w hyphen. Remaining three belongs to others. Others r hyphen hyphen. So that means we see, so a file may be accessed for one or more of the following purposes. One is reading, second one is writing, and third one is executing. So reading is nothing but, so there is a sample.txt, I want to read the content in the sample.txt. Writing is nothing but I can modify this sample.txt. Executing is nothing but I can convert this as a one command and I can execute this command. Okay, so these are the different types of permissions. And if you observe that here rw hyphen, what is the rw hyphen? The owner have the privileges to read the file, write the file, they don't execute. And similarly the group members can read the file, write the file, and they don't execute the file. Other members can only read the file, they cannot write, they cannot execute. So these are the structure of permissions. This is the read, write and execute. So read permission is indicating with R, write permission is indicating with W, execute permission is indicating with X. Now we see the permissions of a file. So I create a file sample.txt. Hi friends. Now who is the owner of this file means who created, he is the owner of the file. That means we can check ls-l sample.txt. Now so Varada is the owner of this file and he belongs to the group name Varada. Now so file attributes is nothing but so type of the file. So these are the permissions. So these are the linked files, owner of the file, group belongs to, size and date modified, and last one indicates file name. Now so these are the permissions. RW hyphen permissions related to user, RW hyphen for group members, R hyphen hyphen for others.